Proquest-Central brings together a number of individual databases to create an effective, multidisciplinary research database. Proquest-Central covers all major subject areas, including business, social sciences, arts and humanities, education, science and technology, political science, and health. The collection includes thousands of full-text scholarly journals, newspapers, magazines, dissertations, newspapers, and market reports, all together on a powerful, user-friendly platform. Proquest-Central is one of the Kean University research database tools. Starting from the Kean Library webpage, select the Articles and More tab. That click takes you to the A to Z database page. You can type Proquest-Central in the search box, or you can use the alphabetical listing to start with the letter P. Library database subscriptions limit access to affiliates of Kean University. Students and faculty must log in with their Kean Google ID the first time using a library database. As long as you continue to use the same browser, you will not have to log in a second time if you switch to a different Kean database. We recommend that university users start with the Advanced Search interface. Advanced Search allows users to combine search terms that yield more precise results. Let's take a look at how to achieve precise database searching. Precise database searching starts with a research question derived from a problem or scenario. Take, for example, the problem of trade imbalances between the United States and China. What are the effects of tariffs or trade regulations on bilateral relations between China and America? The library recommends that you plan your database research. In other words, create a search formula. Here's an example of the search formula for the question on the effects of tariffs or trade regulations on bilateral relations between China and America. Once you have established a research question, make sure you know the key terms. I usually recommend underlining the key terms in the question. Then draw a simple table with your key terms in the top row of the table. Under each key term, consider equivalent terms or synonyms, like tariff and import tax, or United States and America. All of these key terms become your advanced search terms. Now you have a plan. Input all of your search terms, being careful to understand that each line of the advanced search screen should be the terms that mean the same thing. So in a row, list the synonyms. Note that you have a choice of which part or parts of each indexed item will be searched, represented by the pull-down menu to the right side of the subject words. All articles have descriptions that can be searched, such as title, author names, abstracts, and article keywords. We refer to descriptions which allow the material to be found as metadata. Limiting a search to the metadata will improve the relevancy of your retrieval. With Proquest-Central, I recommend choosing anywhere except full text. Why leave out full text searching? Articles with thousands of words may contain your search terms without any proximity or relevancy. Omitting full text from the search increases precision and relevancy, as terms in the title or abstract are very close together. Normally, the articles are sorted by relevancy, and the most relevant articles displayed first. But you can also change the sort to the most recent first. Some research questions do not have any relationship to how current the research is, which is why the default setting for result sorting is relevancy. You can narrow your results using the pull-down menus on the left side. The most popular limits are publication date or publication source. With publication source, you can narrow or limit your search result to scholarly journals or newspapers or dissertations. With publication date, you can select a smaller range than your original search. Several useful tools appear on the right side of the search result page. You must select one or more citations from your result using the checkboxes next to each record. Then you can create a formatted MLA or APA citation, email the article records to yourself or someone else, format for printing in your web browser, or save records into the My Research personal account. Kean University's subscription to Proquest Central should be a popular and useful database for most research and writing assignments.